What up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be pleased to show you an anti-aging, wrinkle and fine line treatment. This treatment is just going to be helpful so much. Now the thing is that in this our present days, is not only the old people that actually experience wrinkles. Young people also experience wrinkles. Now it's not because of age, it's because of stress. Okay, so using this treatment alongside massaging it is going to help you so much. And also you should know that the treatment is natural, so you have to give it time to work for you, and you have to be consistent, and it might not work on everybody. Okay, all right guys, so if you do love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to know what comprises of my anti-wrinkle and glowing treatment, please do continue watching. All right guys, follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. All right, let's dive into this video. The first ingredient for our skin glowing treatments is going to be aloe vera. You should use fresh cut aloe vera for this treatment. Now aloe vera is vast, it's great for the skin, it's great for the hair. It's also great for the body because it's edible. You can eat it. You can actually use it for stomach reduction. Alright, so aloe vera helps to glow the skin. It diminishes fine line because of the antioxidants in aloe vera. It helps to fight aging skin and makes your skin look youthful, young and radiant. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is vitamin A. Now vitamin A is very essential, and it's really nice and great for the skin. So in the absence of vitamin A, you can actually use vitamin E if you don't have vitamin A. The next ingredient we're going to be needing for this treatment would be castor oil. Now castor oil is a very thick natural oil that helps to retain moisture onto the skin. Using castor oil will gently and evenly remove wrinkles and fine lines, and it will also help to rejuvenate the skin. Alright, so the next oil we're going to be needing for this is going to be almond oil. Almond oil is powerful for the skin. It helps to increase the elasticity of the skin, therefore removing stretch marks. It also helps to glow the skin, remove bad oil, therefore leaving the skin looking youthful, young and radiant. Alright, so how we're going to prepare the aloe vera, we're going to cut this part out, and then we're just going to cut this part also. So to review the fresh aloe vera, then we're going to remove the sharp edges to expose the gel, and this side also. Now we just have to put the knife so to remove the leaf or the peel of the aloe vera. Alright, you have to do that gently, otherwise you're just going to lose so much of this beautiful juice. So what I'm going to do is to scrape it. I always love to scrape my aloe vera so to avoid some lumps, and also to be easy, so it can be very easy for me. Now this quantity is going to be enough. So here we still have some aloe vera juice, so I'm not going to be needing this for now though. Alright, so at first I'm just going to stir this up in case I have any lumps, just to try to press it down. Whoa, alright, that is great. Now the next thing is to cut open this vitamin A capsule and press in the liquid into the aloe vera. Okay, so that would do. And Now I'm going to be taking 1 teaspoon of almond oil and also a little drop of castor oil, because this oil is a very thick oil. A little drop will go a long way. Alright, now we have to stir all this together. With the help of the vitamin A, the treatment is just going to change its color. So here it is. Now this is how it actually looks like. Alright, so I'm actually blocking the brightness so you guys can see it properly. Okay, alright, so how to apply this treatment: you can either use a brush or you use a cotton wool. Now you dip it into the treatment, alright, and then it's gonna be super duper slimy. Alright, so you take that to your face, then you massage it to your face. Well, it's usually very slimy, as you can see this, so you have to be patient while trying to take it off. So you apply this treatment on your face. Now in this particular treatment, you can repeat this treatment every day for a couple of weeks, and I mean, you're going to love your results. Your skin is going to glow, and if you have any wrinkles or fine lines, like, you're going to be happy with the result, because all of the stuff is just going to go away. Now after you've applied that, you have to apply a little bit of force, like to massage your face with this, just like what I'm doing right now in a circular motion. Apply a little bit of force and massage it really well. Now that is just going to help remove all the fine lines, all the wrinkles and age spots. It's going to help so much to glow your skin, make your skin look beautiful and young. Alright, so the thing is that you can actually store this treatment. If you have a remnant of it, you can store it in your refrigerator for a couple of days, and then you can use it. You use it every day because it's mild enough for you to use it every day. And if you need to repair your skin, if you have sunburn, perfect treatment. If you have pigmentation, it's going to help you. If you have those white dots caused by cream or some reaction, it's just going to help you do that. Alright, consistency is the key to natural ingredients, and also patience. And yeah guys, know that it's not only old people that don't have wrinkles, young people do have wrinkles too because of stress. So use this, is going to be helpful for you. Alright guys, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my comment section and also at my description box. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Alright, I'll see you soon guys. Bye.